Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate jitter bar charts in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now, I'll activate the sample superstore from here. Now I want to generate the random X and random Y to generate the jitters. So I'll click here, create the calculated field, and I'll write down here random X. Enter random, click OK. Similarly, generate the random y that are random y points, x and y points. But make sure that when you are running random y, add the 10 points into it so that it creates the randomness according to x and y. Click OK. Now we will convert this random x and y into columns and rows. So again go back, create calculated field, write down column and random x. Click OK. Now, again go back in created calculated field, activate is as rows random y. Click OK. Now pick up this column and drop it into the columns. Similarly, pick up the row and drop it into the rows. You can see one point has appeared. Pick up the segment, that is a dimension from here, and drop it in the columns. Moreover, again pick up the segment and drop it into the colors. Convert this into the dimensions, this also into the dimension. Now from here, pick up the product name and drop it into the details. You can see the jitters are ready. If I want these circles to be according to the size, that is according to the sales, then I'll pick up the sales and drop it into the size. So you will get the different size circles. You can hover your mouse anywhere and you can see large the bubble, large the sales. I can also change the size from here. So the size represents sales, color represents the segment. I can go in shapes and pick up the shapes also which I want. So I'll pick up this field circle to create the jitters. At present, these jitter bar charts, they are all of equal size. We want to create according to the sales of this. So we will create one new field, and that is a bar height. Right now, bar height fixed. Enter. Then pick up the segment from here. Then pick up the sum of sales. Close the bracket. We will have to correct it. Maybe the reason of the round bracket. So let me remove this round bracket and possibly wait for some time. Yes, the calculation is valid. Now I will divide this with again fixed sum of sales. Let us wait for some time. It is giving an error, not to worry. The calculation is valid. Fine. So we are creating the bar, the height of the bar on the basis of the sales which are generated in the respective segment divided by the total. So this will give me the percentage. Now click OK. Let us pick up this bar height and drop it in between these two. So you are getting the sales, the uneven circles. What you will do, you will drop sales, sum of sales from here, and you'll get the uniform straight line. Now decrease the size of this to create the proper jitterness. Now click on this and make this discrete. Now, next thing which you have to activate is that you want the rows according to the bar height. So click on it, edit, multiply it with the bar height, enter, click OK. It may be possible that by running this command, you may get the jitter bar chart or you may get this type of output. No need to worry. Go back in random Y, edit, and remove this plus 10 from here. Delete it and press OK. And now you will get a proper jitter bar chart depending upon the percentage. But the numbers displayed here are in decimal 0.505, 0.307, 0.1870, and we want to convert this into the percentage. Again, click on sum bar height, activate the format from here, and instead of this numbers, make this as a percentage. You will see this will get converted into the percentage. Fine. So the summation of all these three will become 100%. Now I want to remove these lines from here, the grid lines and the axis lines. So first of all, click here. Make sure that this is none. The row dividers are none. Headers are none. Fine. Now I want to disappear this line 1, 2, and 3. So the column dividers, make it none. It's gone. Headers are none. Grand total, make it none. Header, make it none. Fine. Now you go in these lines and make grid lines none. Zero lines none. Axis rulers none. Axis sticks none. I also don't want this y-axis to be displayed, so remove the sticks. So header. I also don't want the x-axis. So you can see that the jitter bar chart is ready. Is it possible to make a different bar charts according to the category of the customer? Let us check. Drop it in the rows and we will get 3 jitter bar charts. So that's also quite likely possible, which will give me the percentages. So that's also possible. So this is a way you can generate the jitter bar charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can see my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.